Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the Tronsmart T6 Pro 45W Bluetooth 5.0 speaker with LED light, IPX6 waterproof, and a whopping 24 hours of playtime. Let's start off with the patented SoundPulse trademark technology of the T6 Pro, which delivers a powerful 45W sound in a compact size, thanks to its customized 57mm larger driver. It also features smooth Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, a built-in power bank, and IPX6 waterproofing, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. The highlight of the T6 Pro is its 24-hour playtime, which means you can enjoy non-stop music for a whole day without having to worry about recharging. And speaking of recharging, it comes with a Type-C charging cable for fast and efficient charging, so you can get back to enjoying your favorite tunes in no time. But that's not all. The T6 Pro also features hands-free voice assistant support, a convenient lanyard design for easy portability, and the ability to pair two speakers together for true wireless stereo sound. Plus, with its built-in power bank, you can even charge your other devices on the go. In the box, you'll find the T6 Pro speaker, a 3.5mm audio cable, USB-C charging cable, warranty card, and user manual, so you have everything you need to get started right away. So, whether you're heading out for a day at the beach, a camping trip, or just need a powerful speaker for your backyard barbecue, the Tronsmart T6 Pro has got you covered. And the best part? It's available for purchase right now using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to own this incredible speaker that delivers on both power and portability. Order your Tronsmart T6 Pro today and take your music to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Cheers.